Hi guys, it's Stevie from Planner Cookie Mama. Today I'm going to be doing a spread from July 8th through to the 14th. So as you can see here, I do actually have a December 2020 week here. What I did is I just snipped out the pages, and what I'll do then is I'll pop them back in to the correct spot in my planner. I've already decorated the week, but I didn't particularly like the way it came out, so I'm gonna excuse me, I'm gonna redo it. Now I do actually have a cold, so my throat's a bit sort of scratchy, so I might be coughing during this. If I am, I do apologise, but I'm gonna go ahead now and just show you what I'm going to be using. So these were printables. I've had them for a couple of years, so I don't even know where they're from. I'm going to be using these headers. I'm going to be using numbers from OneCraftyCountryGirl as always, and I will always use one of these Sparkling Life Everyday stickers. And I'm still working my way through leftovers from kits of OneCraftyCountryGirl. So the day cover headers are from the Dreamy kit. I still have all the deco from the mini Spring Bliss kit. I've got deco here, that's from the Spring Bliss kit as well. I've got Dreamy deco. Excuse me. I've got some boxes, I've got some headers. I might be using these ones, I'm not 100% sure yet. I have some more deco here. This was from the Chic kit. Again, some more headers that I might use. I am going to be using these today ones. I'm going to be using these check flags, and then I'm also going to be using this week box. So I'm going to go ahead now and just get started. Okay, so I've put down the deco at the bottom here. We are currently having a thunderstorm, so if you can hear banging, that's what it is, and I do apologise. So, excuse me again. I'm thinking that I'm going to use these sort of pink headers, and what I might do is I might actually just intersperse them with these for along here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So now that I've put down the little things headers, the blank ones and the top ones, I'm going to put down my check flags, and then that way I'll know then where the to-do stickers have got to go. So I'm going to go ahead now and pop down my week box. You can just go there. I'm going to use one of my Happy Cutie Studio Dad's Weekend stickers, just because it matches the kit. There we go. Okay, so I pulled out stickers from my stash that I have, so I'm going to use this weekend banner. Now these are from Sticks to Plans, I believe. They're based in the Ukraine. I will leave a link in the description down below. Now all their stickers are vinyl, and these are so delicate. It's kind of difficult sometimes to put the banners down. And then we have the Geeky Planner, YouTube video recording stickers, and I am going to cover that with a One Crafty Country Girl Darling Deer. There we go. And then I took 2 habit trackers. These are from Happy Cutie Studio, so as always I will leave a link in the description below for these as well. Happy Cutie Studio is the only shop I actually buy from now, apart from One Crafty Country Girl. They're the only 2 shops I ever buy from. One Crafty Country Girl is based in Washington, Washington State, and Happy Cutie Studio is here in the UK. So sometimes if I need stickers sort of quick, I will order from Happy Cutie Studio while I'm waiting on my order from One Crafty Country Girl arriving. Alright guys, so that's me finished for now. So as always, thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope that you will consider subscribing to my channel. I will leave a link to One Crafty Country Girl in the description below, along with my discount code. I'll also leave links to any other shops I have used. I will also leave a link to my Instagram page. Please come over there and follow me as well. And until next time guys, happy planning. Bye bye.